So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add categories in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is open up the website editor, which will look something like this. So from here you can see the Duda logo, you can see layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, content, personalized, sell online, app store, settings, and many more. So through here to add categories, you should go to e-commerce, which will be through sell online button. And you can see here why the fastest growing agencies choose Duda e-commerce. So through here, just click on get started. So it says adding your store. As soon as it's ready, you can start setting it up. So through here, you can see store management, store pages, store widgets, Google tools, how-to videos, feedback. You can even upgrade your website. So it says manage everything from products and orders to payment gateways and shipping. So you can see your product catalog, categories. So you can open this and you will see your site dashboard. So you can even see your store operations and SEO. So on the categories page, you can see accessories, personal training, online classes. These are some of the examples the Duda website gives you. From there, if you want to add new ones, you can just click on create new category. Click on this. You can see here set this as a new category or a new subcategory. So there are options even there, and click on create. Once you've done that, you can see the description. You can even make it through AI and then set it up yourself later. You can use a category name. You can even put in an image so you can get to it faster. And after that, just click on save. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.